I thrilled to announce this as I'm a CEO of my company on artificial general intelligence (AGI). I thrilled to announce this for my team, my uh, partner, uh, Atlassian company software, and the Compass, Bitbucket, and Jira. I'd like to announce these two. My my engineers who made the things happen on technology innovation. Then I gave my uh, grand option stocks exercise to them as we achieve our goal for the human and for the world, especially on the healthcare and the computer science, which is can help to anyone, uh, benefits to anyone. Right? We had a lot to do, a lot more to do about the branches of the EGI. So then, since that I don't have a press release or media, I do myself for this doing these things on by my own myself. Service like it's a funny thing, but it's okay. I know that still that my company was just listed on the Nasdaq, and I still need to do a filing on US SEC about my stocks. But anyway, however, my and perhaps my I have a big budget on my engineer, so I confidentially I wanna gonna talk about it. It's a big budget for them. I saw it already on my company. Then hopefully I need them. I need the list of my engineer so for helping me everything about it. It's profound work, and I appreciated that an excellent work for us, especially the autonomous who made it for that uh, situation on the EI. They said EI, but it's not EI already. It's EGI because they are using my technology, my code from the computer make autonomous. So I don't believe that that's EI. It's already EGI. This is my path, so they have to follow it. Okay? That's all I'm gonna say. Right? Thanks to anyone.